Water beads up nice on it. Just had a little thunderstorm roll over. Cable went out for a second, so did power. But everything's back on. Probably should get out here with the push broom and push this water off so it doesn't emulsify with any oil that may not have soaked in yet. I think we're pretty good though, because normally it'll turn white. Looks good. I just did these boards this morning, so sounds like we got more rain coming. Yeah, I won't be doing anything out here for a few minutes.